Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that Kelly's age is X. Meaning this one will be X years old. Kelly's father twice as old, meaning if Kelly is X, the fathers will be twice as old, 2 times as old, so it's 2X. And let's move on to check out Kelly's mother. Mother is 1 year younger than her father. Okay, father is blue color. Younger means minus. So you will then see mother's age is 2x the father, but she's younger. So I minus off by how many years? 1 years. And the last but not least, Kelly's brother. Brother is half as old as her mother. Means I divide by how many? Yeah, very good. Means divide. Oops, sorry. Divide by 2. Alright? And therefore, there are 2 ways to look at it. You either divide by 2 or you can actually write it as multiply by half. Both mean the same. And therefore, you should see these 2 possible answers. Mother's is 2x minus y. I either divide the whole thing by 2 or I multiply them by half. These are the 2 ways of writing this algebraic expression. So either is fine. And actually, in case you are wondering why are they equivalent, let me show you briefly at the bottom that if I have half times 2x minus y, and I can rewrite 2x minus y as whole thing is over 1. Then the numerator times the numerator. 1 times 2x minus y is 2x minus y. Denominator is 2 times 1, 2. And therefore you can see that they are indeed equivalent to each other. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.